up, YouTube? This is going to be day in my life as a freelance brand scaler, kind of switching it up here. Well, this is day 2 of the journey. Hope you enjoy the vid. What's up, boys? We're about to go lift with Mandy Motivation.
Wide improvement.
So right now we're literally just looking around because why not? Why would you guys not go out and imagine your future? At 17, I took the risk. I said, look, I might completely fail brand scaling, but I don't care. Life's a gamble. We're going all in on it. I might be a loser or winner. We'll see. All right, so right now I'm honestly just working on getting this, the final clip for the video of today. Just kind of working on editing right now, and I'm essentially done, just waiting on this clip. But I wanted to update you guys on how my cold outreach has been going right now. So earlier in the day, we got a decent bit of messages sent out. Nothing yet, but look, I'm not really worried right now, because I know like what I need to be doing. I've kind of realized some of the mistakes I've been making, and the main one I've been making with cold outreach is, as dumb as it is, like this hoodie, like these top things have been there for weeks. Whoever's running the ads for these is big ballers. So obviously these people, they already have clients doing the work for them, and it's a dumb mistake I've realized. So I just kind of got to take the extra, I don't know, 10-15 seconds, just really scroll to the bottom. Here we go. Perfect example. Great piece of clothing. We are going to reach out to these people. Look, these are very high quality photos. And perfect. We're going to be able to find the brand owner here. So send this fella a DM. Hopefully I haven't already DM'd him before. Perfect. Alright. And I already have my new and improved script, you could say, and I'm gonna let you guys read it here in a second. It's always good to start off with their name. That's a huge part that has helped me tremendously get some more attention, some more reds, and not just like left on send. Then compared to the last video, I've gotten a lot more to the point, which is what this guy Jaden Sanders, he's kind of helped me work on. I was just very kind of AI and not to the point. Look, you have some seriously high quality pieces, brother. I see huge potential, dude. I want to help you 3 to 5 extra clothing brands revenue. And yeah, you can read that, and perfect. So I'm gonna put the camera down, and I don't know, it's pretty late right now, probably for another 30 minutes. Hopefully try to find, I guess, as many as I can, reach out to as many more people, and hopefully wake up in the morning with a good message, or just at any point in tomorrow's day. And yeah, that is gonna do it for today's video. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We got more posts dropping this weekend.